The video got discontinued because I think I just received a call. So when I did some silent mode, it just got discontinued. Well, okay. This is the. It's all looking great inside the pressure cooker. It's looking good, excellent. Inside the pressure cooker. I can just show it to you from a very closer range. This is it. This is how it looks. It looks great. And it looks real great. So, as you can see, this is the potato that I put, the vegetables. That is a potato, the tomato. That is a vegetable that I put is the potato, aloo, the tomato, tomato, and then I put onion, that is the pyaz, then I put garlic, lasan, green chili, that is hari mirch. These are the vegetables that I put, and the masalas that I put were turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, then garam masala, red chili powder, lal mirch, and then I put Maggi masala as well, and then I put coriander powder, dhania powder. So all these things are there inside the cooker. So I just showed you from a very closer range. Now this the ingredients that is there inside the cooker, especially the tomato and the potato, these are basically raw, so these needs to be cooked nicely. I'll do one thing. I'll just add a little bit of water to it. I'll just add a little bit of water to it so that it can cook. So here's the water that I have in the glass. I'll just add a little bit of water. So these needs to be cooked well. So it's a real low flame, so I can just increase the flame a little bit. So the vegetables that we put, that is the potato and the tomato and the onion, so these things needs to cook nicely. So let it cook for some time, and here is the salt. We need to put a little bit of salt to the taste. So then I'll put, taken a little bit of salt I've taken. Not much, a little bit of salt I've taken. So that's it. I'll put a little bit of salt to it. So this I'm mixing it well. I can just show it to you from a closer look. I'll just show it to you from a closer range. It's all looking excellent. It's looking superb. This is looking superb. I'll just show it to you from a closer range. This is how it's looking. It's looking beautiful. All the vegetables you can see here. It's looking great. It's looking absolutely fantastic. So this is it. So what I'll do is let this cook all the vegetables. I'll just cover the cooker with a lid, and these vegetables needs to be cooked nicely. These vegetables needs to be cooked nicely, thoroughly. So what I do is I'll just take a plate, and cover it up. Let it cook under the covered lid. So let this cook for say around 5 minutes. In that time, I think that raw potato which is there, and the raw onion and the raw tomato which is there, that should be well cooked. And not much time it will take. Just 5 minutes it needs to be cooked. So secondly, the major ingredient that will go into making the dal khichdi are two things, that is the tuar dal and the rice. So I have taken tuar dal and rice, that you can see inside this vessel. I can show it to you from a distance. So this is the tuar dal and rice, you can see. Here it is, the tuar dal and the rice. So the quantity I have taken is, this is the glass, the standard glass that I have taken, the South Indian tumbler. That is 1 tumbler of tuar dal and 1 tumbler of rice. I can show it to you once again. So that is it. I have taken 1 tumbler of tur dal and 1 tumbler of rice. I have washed it nicely in the water, and this I have kept it in the water, soaked in the water, and this has been in water for say 1 hour by now. So that is the standard procedure that we have been following. I have taken 1 tumbler of tur dal and 1 tumbler of rice. I have washed it nicely, and then I had kept it inside in this vessel and soaked it in the water for almost 1 hour by now. So in another 5 minutes, when these vegetables are cooked, we'll just put the rice inside this, and that's it. That will be the end to the khichdi that we are making. A very quick process to make dal khichdi, and you won't be requiring any other utensil. Only one vessel, one utensil, that is a pressure cooker, and we are done with the khichdi. So meanwhile this has been cooking. We'll meet in the first segment. Video got discontinued because I just received a call and it discontinued the video. Anyhow, we'll meet in the third segment where we'll be adding the rice and the dal, and we finalize with the khichdi making process, dal khichdi making process. So thank you for watching, and please do keep watching. Thank you.